This video will provide a short walkthrough on how to set up your email through Windows Live Mail. In order to set the account up, first of all you need to open up your Windows Live Mail. You'll be presented with the home screen. In order to set up a new account, you'll need to choose Accounts from the tab at the top. And then you'll see on the top left-hand corner there a button that has the email symbol with a plus sign. That is to add a new email account. So if we click that, it pops up with the Add Email Accounts window. Now in this first window, under Email Address, you'll need to place the email address that you've been given by SitesNStores at handover. Under Password, you'll put in the password that you're also given with that email account. Make sure to keep the box ticked where it says Remember this password. Under Display Name, this is the name that other people will see when they receive an email from you. This will not affect how your email performs or the settings. This is simply a display setting that people will see when they get an email from you. You can enter in here your business name, your personal name, or even a combination of both. Below that is a box which says Manually Configure Server Settings. We need to tick that box and then click the Next button, and this brings us to our server setting information. Now under Incoming Server Information, the server type should read POP. Under the server address, that will be mail.yourdomain. For in my example, my domain is SitesNStores.com.au. Again, this is mail.yourdomain that you need to make sure that you put in under your incoming server information. You can skip the next couple of fields down to a logon username. This is going to be your full email address. Now under Outgoing Server Information, your server address will be your internet service provider's outgoing mail server. For example, if you're with BigPond, you would use mail.bigpond.com. If you're with another provider, it will be whatever their mail servers is. For me, since my mail server is also SitesNStores, I'm going to put in mail.sitesnstores.com.au. Now, if you're unsure of your internet service provider's outgoing mail servers, there are two ways you can find that. One is through the website of your internet service provider. The other one is we do have a listing here on the knowledge base which covers most of the major internet service providers and what their outgoing servers are. So you can also check there for that information. Once you've gone through and entered all the server information in, hit Next and it will tell you that the email account has been added. Then we'll just click Finish, and that is now done. Now if you've got emails on the server, they'll come through, you'll know that it is working. If there's no emails on the server and you just want to check and make sure that it is working, you can go up the top and click on the Home tab. If you focus on the bottom right hand corner, you'll see where it says Working Online. You'll notice a change to that. If we click the Send and Receive button, it will show that it's cycling through trying to find emails. So we'll go back up to the top, click the Send and Receive button, but watch what happens down in that bottom corner. And you can see very briefly there, very quickly, it's connected, it's authorized, it's looked, it's found that there's no mail. Now if that process completes successfully, it indicates that your mail server is set up correctly. If it doesn't complete successfully, you will get an error at this point, and that will indicate that the email account is not set up correctly.